All right, here's the video for Janus File number 7. Um, this one is about practicing personal information sections. So there's several different versions of this. As we scroll down, you've gathered the information you need to complete the application. You have practiced your printing. Now you can use the information to fill in the sections of real job applications. Each page in this file has several sections from different job applications. Each section asks for the same kind of information but in a different way, and each section gives a different amount of space for your answers. So for each of these pages, you can it talks about using the glossary on each page to learn the words and abbreviations you need to know in order to fill out these sections. Also, fill out with the information you've gathered so far. You're going to be repeating the same information, but repeating is good practice and fitting the information to different forms and doing it neatly. The sections in this file will ask you questions like those in the gray boxes on pages 7 through 9. If you don't feel comfortable answering these kinds of questions in a class, you don't have to, but you can do so later in private. Now here, a couple of abbreviations. APT is asking for the apartment. Area code, those are the three numbers that come before your number. For example, 661 is ours, but you have written here 415. It would be the area code that comes before the 7-digit number, I believe. So previous means before. Social security number, this is your 9-digit one. You do not need to use it here. You can make one up, but you should make it up correctly. Suite is usually an abbreviation about where something is located in a business building. Now, below, there are several different examples of what you could see on a real job application. So in the first one from General Electric, you see the last name is first with the first name in middle. The date is written right over here, 7/7/20. You have the address and the city, state, and zip separately. And then phone number with area code and an example of what a social security number could look like. You could use this one if you'd like. From McDonald's, you see first name, middle initial, last name. Then you have three separate sections for your social security number. It should always be 9 digits. Address is here, but it's also mixed with the city, state, and zip, phone number, and how long you've lived here. We're not going to deal with previous address, so you could put not applicable, NA, NA. From Sears, you get last name first, and then don't forget the middle name like I did. Whoops. And then social security number, just written out with dashes. Remember, 9 digits only. The whole street address here with the city, state, and zip. This one has the county. Everybody here lives in Los Angeles County. Here's a current phone number, and then you don't need to write previous address. Again, not applicable. Down here, from Hyatt Hotels, it just requires first name, last name, social security number, a street address, which is separate from the city, state, and zip, and 2 phone numbers. You have a home phone over here and a work phone over here. Okay? When you're done, of course, you hit finish, email my answers to the teacher, put your full name, group level, subject is Janus File. This one's Janus File 7. And then dsalinas@avhsd.org and click send, and you are finished. Good luck.